Whoa, got some powerful winds out here. It's blowing everything over. Where the trash can's knocked over.
This one was.
Yeah, everything. Look, just took out a couple plants. Whoa! Oh, about blew me over, honey. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Taking you over too? Oh my gosh. It knocked down our basketball hoop. Oh my gosh. Any other damage? Just ripping up our trampoline. Oh my gosh. Might want to move those out of the wind. They're just going to get blown over again. Maybe, whoa! Maybe put them over here by the house. Oh my gosh. Or maybe in the little cubby over here. Maybe there. That looks like a good spot. Kind of shelter from the wall. Yeah, one blossom left. I don't know that we're going to get anything, but there's another one there. Your beans. I don't know if you want to move that or... Dang, this wind is... It picks up like so quick and it blows everything over. Oh, look, there's a bean there. Oh my goodness, they're huge.
Yeah, they're probably ready to eat.
Oh, we should pick them and make some stir fry with the cabbage and some beans.
Yeah.
Oh, look, we got a couple tomatoes too. We could throw that in the stir fry there.
Yeah.
Before the wind eats it. I'm gonna see if it blew out anything over here. Oh my gosh, leaves everywhere. Oh, well those are standing. This one's down. The wind took it out. Two of them. How did it tip the big one over? Oh man, it knocked our tomatoes off. They're not ripe yet. Oh my goodness. Come on, irises. Will you stand that one? Look at how many babies it sprouted. The little baby irises. Oh man, look at all these tomatoes. I need to pick them, but my arm is hurting. Oh my gosh, look at those tomatoes. They're so delicious. There's so many red ones. All fresh tomatoes.